If you enjoy my channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget the notification bell. Hey guys, so today I brought you one of my favorite brown rice recipes. It's absolutely delicious and definitely a healthier option if you're craving chicken fried rice. I hope you like it. So now I'm going to add the olive oil to the wok and the white onions and let it fry for a couple of minutes till it changes color, till it's caramelized. Then we're going to add the garlic cloves and give it a few more minutes. And now we're going to add the green onions and the jalapeno peppers. And again, let it stir fry for a few more minutes. And if you want, you can add more green onions. It's definitely going to taste better, but this is all I had in my refrigerator. So now I'm going to empty the wok and set aside the onions, because if you overcook them, they will become too soggy and will not taste right. Now in the same wok, we are going to add the mixed vegetables and the mushrooms and let it cook for a couple of minutes. You may add some oil if you'd like. Now again, we are going to empty the wok. We are going to set aside all of the vegetables and the mushrooms. And again, we're going to use this wok for our chicken. Now we're going to add some oil. And then we are going to add the chicken. So the chicken will release a lot of juice, and you have to make sure that you cook till that juice is evaporated, at least most of it. Now we're going to start adding all of the ingredients. We had our soy sauce, chili sauce, salt, garlic powder, chili pepper. Everything that we had left over will now go into the chicken. So here I'm going to use some sesame oil, but if you don't like sesame oil, you can use any other oil of your choice. So let it cook for a few more minutes till you start to see the oil coming up to the surface. Okay, so now we are ready to add all of our good stuff, which is the onions, the mushrooms, the vegetables. So we're going to go ahead and combine that with the chicken now. Now in a larger size non-stick pan, we're going to go ahead and add our brown rice, and we're going to break it down since it will be in clusters and that's not how we want it. At this point, we're going to go ahead and add our stir fry. Now go ahead and mix it well. Add a little bit of oil to the sides so the rice wouldn't stick. And then just mix it up real well because you do want the chicken and the vegetables in every single bite, right? So I usually like to garnish this with sesame seeds and crushed peppers. That is optional though, but you can add it to make it look more presentable and to give it that punch of flavor. So that was it guys, chicken fried brown rice is ready to be served. If you liked my recipe, please do subscribe to my channel and share with everyone who might enjoy this. Take care, eat well, and I'll see you in the next one.